In this video, I'll show you how to fix the position of your navigation bar in order for it to stick to the top or the bottom while you scroll through Figma prototype. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So now the first thing you want to do is to come to your file and make sure your navigation bar is inside a frame. So you can see this over here, this is a frame. This text is inside a frame and this as well, they're also inside a frame. So what you're going to do is to select the frame, switch to prototype, then you see scroll behavior underneath here, then click on this drop down arrow here. So you can see scroll with parent, you can see fixed and sticky. So we don't need sticky and we don't need scroll. If you set it to scroll, as you scroll through your prototype, your header will scroll to the top, but if you set it to fixed, it will remain fixed while you scroll through the prototype. So what I'm going to do is to set the frame to fixed. So now we've set this to fixed. Now come down again, select the other frame and also set it to fixed. Okay, so let's see the results. So now you can see that as I'm scrolling through the prototype, my nav bar is fixed. It is not moving with me. But if you set it to scroll, as you scroll down, it will move to the top. Let me show you how that works. Set this as well to scroll with parent. Now let's see how it works. So now you see that scrolled to the top. That is because we set it to scroll with parent. So if you go back and set it to fixed again, you'll see that as you scroll, it will remain fixed to the top. So this is how to achieve this here in Figma. So for mobile, we're also going to do the same thing. So let me show you how to do that. Now I want this to be fixed and I also want the nav bar underneath here to be fixed. So we're also going to do what we did the other time. Navigate to prototype, scroll down to scroll behavior, then set it to fixed. You can see it's already fixed, and for the nav bar, you can see it is set to scroll with parent. We don't want that, so click on the drop down arrow and select fixed. So now let's see the results. You can see the nav bar is fixed and it is not scrolling with you as you scroll. So this is how to achieve this here in Figma. Let me know if you're going to be doing this anytime soon in the comment section below. Have a lovely week ahead. Bye.